This is a single-house residential addition construction site located in the suburb of Shanghai, China. The workers are building drainage channels. Due to the installation of two central air conditioning units in this expansion area, copper pipes need to be selected in appropriate locations. Meanwhile, about 60 square meters of underfloor heating are being installed underground. What you are seeing now is the foil film product specifically designed for underfloor heating, which can not only prevent moisture, but also reduce heat energy loss to a certain extent. The diameter of the heating pipe used was 20 millimeters. After the water pipe is fixed, the installation of fiberglass mesh is essential. Its high tensile strength can prevent concrete cracking effectively. Finally, let's take a look at the before and after comparison of the underfloor heating completed surface. If you want to know more about Chinese construction site and underfloor heating, please hit the subscribe button below and leave your comment.